Here I am. Here I am in Tiddlywinks, all by myself today. And I thought you might like to see the store. Here's Easter, some Easter things. Big, most of them are quite big. And these are the outfits and the pants and the tops and the dresses and shoes and blankets and things and nighties and tights and leotards. And these are the new shoes, which are really cute. And this is where I write up sales, right here. This is where I write up sales, right here, the cashier. And this is where they do, back here, you see a big sign that says appointments. And that's where Ann and Donnell do the appointments. Setting up sales and answering the phone, I'm back here in the laundry room, putting clothes through the washer and dryer, or else I'm over in this section ironing and tagging things. And so that's about the size of it, I think. We have a certain amount of new things in the store. We have these are new, these baby slings, which are pretty nice. Very nice for gifts. So I think that's probably about it.
Where would I find a mirror?
In the dressing room on the wall to the left. Okay. Start carrying those. I can start writing those up.
Okay. You're always thinking such big.
250.
You want to try another blue one? Okay, then go ahead and pick them up then.
Yeah, we have, there's some in here. Looks like not very many, and then there's some up here. These are new.
Okay.
And there's some in here too.
Okay. We should try selling these little ones separately.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll mention that to the powers
Yeah.
that be. to $9.20, please. And do you have one of these cards?
Oh, God, I used to. I said I don't have it with me.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks, Lauren.
Mm-hmm. Okay, found something, huh? Okay. 250. Comes to 271, please. Now, do you need a bag? Oh, yeah. Oh, 30 cents. Thanks a lot.
That's maroon. Okay. Okay, what, sure?
Hi. Oh, well, they smell like
They're
it's
all
a
into
good...
boys and big baggy things now.
Yeah.
And grandmas never say no, hardly.
Oh, yeah.
This is a nice job, honey.
Oh, how'd you like it? Guess you need a bag, huh?
No, I don't need one.
You don't?
I have one. Oh. I'll take that too. I'll send that up to Peter. Okay. It's too big for him, but that's okay. He loves the. Oh, that's great. T-Y-O. Oh, boy, did I spell it wrong.
It's 812.
Okay, I'm sorry, I found this too.
Oh, okay.